So your husband I go well want hug you up after you put this on and your skin I got soft. Sure. I don't even understand why so much people make appointment. If you're up and lockdown and you're there in your yard, how could I wrong with you, sir? If you're sick, you know, just go to the hospital, man. It means that you have COVID. Sure, man. I'm going to say your name now. Sierra. Sure.
Hello?
Hello, am I speaking to Sarah Jackson?
Yes, you are.
Hi, Sarah Jackson. This is Dr. Nabadami. I'm calling from You Have Germs Medical Center. I say you make an appointment here. What seems to be the problem?
Oh, right. Hi. So, lately I've had a lot of flaky and dry skin. I've tried absolutely everything, any cream you could possibly name, and nothing seems to be working. It's gotten to the point where my husband won't even hug me late at night because he says I've got scaly skin. Like,
oh, really?
Yeah.
You turn mermaid in a bed. Alright, let me see what I can do for you. So you say your skin is dry?
Yes.
And flaky?
Yes, it is.
And you've tried creams?
Absolutely.
But nothing seems to be working.
Everything. Nothing works, no.
Alright. Can I ask, what is it that you used to shower with?
Just normal soaps, shower gels, bubble bath sometimes.
Right. So what it seems to me is maybe it's got something to do with the weather change, you know, it's getting colder now, so your skin is drying out a lot more.
Yeah.
Or it could be to do with the fact that you've tried so much different products that maybe something in one of those products was actually drying out your skin.
Okay.
Have you ever exfoliated?
Exfoliated? No, I haven't at all.
Right, so when you exfoliate, what it does is it removes all the dirt from your body, all the dry and the dead skin, and it allows your skin to turn over and renew. Right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prescribe a sugar scrub for you. It's a sugar scrub from Melli Appeal. They're an all natural brand. All the ingredients in their products are natural, so nothing harsh in there will dry out your skin. And what this sugar scrub will do is exactly what I said. It will remove the dirt, the dead skin, the dry skin. Let me see if yes, I actually have one right here. So within it has shea butter, coconut oil, and almond oil.
Wow.
Do you seem to be allergic to any of those ingredients?
No, I'm not.
Perfect. So not only will it remove the dry and dead skin, as your husband likes to call it, his scaly skin, it will also moisture your skin. So it's removing it and then it's moisturizing your skin.
Right.
And I'm gonna need you to use that at least once or twice a week. Okay. Alright? And then I'm also going to prescribe you a body butter to follow up with it. Now this you will use every day and especially after the sugar scrub, alright? And what it has in there is shea butter, mango butter, sweet almond oil, and grapeseed oil.
Okay.
And this will really lock the moisture in your skin, so your skin won't be dry, it won't be flaky, it won't be scaly, alright? And it even smells like cherry, so your husband I go well want hug you up after you put this on, and your skin I got soft.
Right.
Yeah. So me just I go make up your prescription now, and that shall do it for you. Alright, so when you're ready, come and pick up your prescription, and I hope that helps you.
Thank you so much.
Alright, Sierra.
Okay, thank
Take
you.
care.
Bye.
Thank you.